In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to get notifications in Process.st so you never miss an important task or update again. Whether you're new to Process.st or just looking to optimize your workflow, understanding how notifications work can save you tons of time and help you stay on top of your processes. First, let's talk about why notifications are so crucial in Process.st. They keep you informed of updates, task completions, and changes to your workflows. Getting notifications ensures you're always in the loop, whether you're managing simple to-do lists or complex workflows with a team. Now, the first step to setting up notifications is logging into your Process.st account. If you don't have an account yet, you can try the software for free by clicking the first link in the description below, where you can get exclusive bonuses and extended access. Once you're logged in, head over to your account settings. You'll find the notification settings under the Notifications tab. Here, you can fine-tune what types of notifications you want to receive, whether that's task completion, new comments, or workflow assignments. Process.st allows you to tailor your notifications, so you're only alerted about the things that matter to you. Another thing to keep in mind is the different types of notifications you can customize. You can choose between getting notifications via email, in-app, or through integrations with Slack and other communication tools. For example, if you prefer to stay focused within Process.st, you can set in-app notifications to pop up on your dashboard, letting you know exactly when something changes in your workflow. If you prefer email, you can have notifications sent directly to your inbox. One feature you might find especially helpful is task-specific notifications. With Process.st, you can get notified about specific tasks that require your attention. This means you won't be overwhelmed with updates on tasks that don't concern you. It's a game changer for staying organized and on top of your priorities. The next step is managing the frequency of these notifications. Process.st offers settings that allow you to receive instant notifications or choose a digest option. This way, you can limit the number of notifications you get and prevent inbox overload. You'll also want to customize your notification preferences for workflow assignments. When someone assigns you a task, you'll get a direct notification about it, ensuring you're always aware of what's on your plate. You can even set notifications for when someone comments on your task, so you stay informed about updates or changes without having to constantly check in. As we wrap up, remember that notifications in Process.st aren't just for staying on top of tasks. They're a powerful way to keep your entire team aligned. Whether you're managing a single project or multiple workflows, customizing your notification preferences will ensure you never miss a critical update. Before you go, don't forget that you can try Process.st completely free through the link below, and with that, you'll get an extended trial with our exclusive bonuses. If you found this guide useful, check out the first link to get started and streamline your work process even more efficiently with Process.st. Thanks for watching, and remember, optimizing your notifications is one of the simplest ways to boost your productivity and ensure you're always on track.